Here we have my two new Telecom Australia payphones. That's a blue one, that's the gold phone. I've got two of these. Here's the other one. You see there, that one does never work. It never works. This one's brand new. Got the key with it. I'm not going to unlock the coin value. This turns to unlock the vault, as you can see. I had to do a look out here because it was broken. This is on the screen. I'll hang up. Just got my mobile over there. See? Now I'm going to do the ring back option. I do have to reply on this, Sean. So I'll bring you what that is in a minute. This is the ringer. Works for. Should hang up and it should turn off the phone. There we go, that's it.